achieving 32,000 yesterday. US30 has traded with a drop with the US cash session, and similarly US100 achieving 12,500, traded extremely bullish, but now trying to trade below 12,400 and 12,500 levels. Now what is going to happen throughout this day? Before we come up with the next analysis before US cash session, we will see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon and do watch the other analysis as well if you are interested. Gold, silver, oil, natural gas, DAX, FTSE or Nifty, you can watch those instruments as well. Next update on gold, Dow Jones and Nasdaq will be up before the US cash session. Let's start the day with US100 first. US100 trading below 12,400 at 12,392 levels, and right now the candle is not trying to take a shape. Look at the hourly charts. On the hourly charts, one observation, it is trying to give you lower highs and lower lows, trying to trade in this channel. The possible long entry, it appears, is about 12,450 levels today. If you see it trading about 12,450, go long, and below 12,350 go short. So this is what it appears, 12,350 and 12,320 levels, rather I will say 12,330 levels. This zone is very strong support. Only if you see it trading below 12,320, we may see it dropping further till towards 12,250, 12,200 levels. In fact, it can drop till towards 12,150. Directional movement is bullish, trying to converge. Stochastic is bottom. MACD has crossed over for a sell, and RSI is comfortable. Similarly, if you look at the 2-hour charts, similar is the observation on the 2-hour charts, and it is giving you lower highs, lower lows, 12,450 levels. Rather, one can see here 12,430 itself is a good long entry, but yes, I will recommend to refrain till it's below 12,450. Above 12,450, stay long, and below 12,350 there is a possibility for it to drop more. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic looking downwards. MACD on the verge of a crossover. RSI overbought. And if you look at the 3-hour chart, similar is the observation, but look at last two candles. See, one thing is it is giving you lower highs, and so on the daily charts, it appears that we may see it giving lower highs, and it may either give you higher lows or it may either give you lower lows. So there is a possibility for it to retrace back from 12,450 levels. 12,450 should be the high which we may look at, but I think till the time it trades below 12,450, one can stay short. First target at 12,300 and then 12,250. If it breaks below this, we may see it hitting 12,150 levels. So a narrow trading zone between 12,450 to 12,300, then 12,250 and then 12,150 levels should come into picture. Probably we may see it trading or swinging in these levels. It is trying to give you pole and flag pattern, probably a complete flag or a slightly bullish flag that we need to look into. But I think we may see it swinging a bit, like how we have seen yesterday. It may try to trade in range. I think till the time it trades below the highs of the day yesterday, we may see it dropping a bit, and I think 12,300, 12,250 levels should be seen today itself. And yes, below that we may see a good fall. However, I think it can try to swing a little on the downside. Directional movement not indicative of anything. Stochastic is overbought. The MACD is wide divergent and bullish. So considering this, one can go long only if you see it about 12,450. Above 12,450, I'll expect it to hit 12,500 as the next target, and beyond 12,500, the next target is going to be 12,600 levels. On the downside, yes, if you see it trading below 12,350, go short, and below 12,350, you can expect it to hit 12,300, 250, 150 levels. In between 12,350 and 450, rather, I will recommend you to exercise caution. And if you want to take a chance, you can stay short till the time it is below 12,450, but take a right entry. Good entry on the downside is at 12,350 levels, and above side, yes, anytime you can see 12,420, 12,440 levels. If you see, probably you can take a short entry. However, refrain from trading from in between 12,350 and 450 levels. Above and below, yes, definitely we can see a decisive move. So trade accordingly, trade profitably. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. See, US30 trading in this channel, and you can see lower highs are seen, and if you look at this, it is also trying to give you lower highs. Higher lows is what something we can see. Go short at 31,770. Below 31,770, my next target is going to be 31,700 and 31,650 levels. Below that, we may see a good fall till towards 31,600, 500, 300 levels. directional movement not indicative of anything, stochastic looking downwards, MACD is bearish, RSI is trading flat. And if you look at the 2 hour charts, on the 2 hour charts similar is the story. It is trying to consolidate a bit, but remember it is trying to trade with a slightly bearish bias. Yes, you can go long at 31,880 levels. Beyond that you can expect, see, 31,900 rather I will say, go long at 31,900, then 31,950, 32,000 levels will come into picture. Beyond that it will fly high. So go long again at 31,950 levels. On the downside, go short at 31,750, and one can expect 31,700. Below that we may see a good fall till towards 31,600, 500 and below levels. Indicators are comfortable. MACD has crossed over. RSI trading comfortable there. On the 3 hour chart, similar is the story. It is looking forward to a breakout. A breakout is going to be good and sharp. See, this is giving you lower highs, higher lows, trying to consolidate a bit. Do not trade between, rather I will say 31,850 and I will say rather 31,900 and 31,750 or levels, odd levels. Do not trade below 31,750. You can expect it to hit 31,700 and 600. Below that we may see a fall. Above 31,950, you can stay long for 31,950, 32,000 levels. And similar is the story on the daily charts. We have seen a candle of indecision yesterday, and yes, 32,000 is the high. I think probably we may see lower highs, higher lows. It may consolidate a bit in between 31,700 to 31,900, 950 zone. Any move beyond 32,000, stay long for sure. And beyond that we can see a very strong bullish move. On the downside, once it breaks below 31,700, we can expect a further fall for 31,600, and below that we may see it trading till towards 31,500 levels. So in sum, in between 31,900 and 31,750, do not trade for these 150 points. Let it take a, or let it get consolidated some at these points. On the downside, yes, you can expect 50 points at 31,700, and then 31,600, that is 150 points your next target. Below that we may see a good fall. On the upside, if it breaks past 31,900, you can go long for 31,950 and 32,000. These two levels are strong. Beyond that, it may fly strongly on the upside. So take your positions accordingly, trade profitably, trade accordingly, trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do what's the next analysis before the US cash session. Definitely it will help. Reach out to me for any of your trading or trading related queries. My next batch, 15th batch, is going to get announced soon. And yes, we may see it swinging a bit. So trade accordingly. You can join my signals group. Reach out to me for more details. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.